So Disneyland has launched a new product that's even better than Lightning Lane Multipass, and you'll be able to use the Lightning Lanes without having to book in advance, so you can go to what you want when you want, but it does come at a steep price. Here are 5 things you should know about Disneyland's new Lightning Lane Premier Pass. So the first thing is Lightning Lane Premier Pass is different than Lightning Lane Multipass. However, it does use all of the same Lightning Lanes included in that, as well as Lightning Lane Single Pass. So basically you can use all of the Lightning Lanes in the parks, including Star Wars Rise of the Resistance and Radiator Springs Racers at no additional cost. Second, you can ride these attractions whenever you want. Disneyland says you don't have to choose an arrival window like you do with Lightning Lane Multipass. However, you're still limited to just 1 ride per attraction. Third, you still get unlimited PhotoPass downloads when Disney photographers take your pictures inside the park and when you get your photos taken on rides. Fourth, here's a list of attractions that work with Lightning Lane Premier Pass. And before I get to the price, because it is a lot more expensive than Lightning Lane Multipass, these will start rolling out in limited availability beginning October 23rd, and you will be able to purchase up to 2 days in advance before your visit, starting at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Lastly, what is the price? Like I said, not cheap. It is $400 per person. It does work at both parks. However, Lightning Lane Premier Pass does not include your admission, so you'll still need to buy your ticket and get your reservation. But starting in 2025, the pricing will vary. Lightning Lane Premier Pass will range from $300 to $400 per person in your party, depending on the day that you go. All right, so what are my initial thoughts of Lightning Lane Premier Pass coming to Disneyland? So the first thing is, I do think that a lot of guests have asked for something like this. They said, hey, I don't like booking in advance. I don't want to miss out on the reservations that I want to get. I want to be able to ride Space Mountain, Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance, Radiator Springs Racers whenever I want using the Lightning Lane. However, after seeing that it's over 10 times the cost of the base price of $32 for the Lightning Lane Multipass, it still seems like a pretty steep price to pay per person without addressing one of the biggest guest complaints of Lightning Lane Multipass, and that it's only that you can use it once per attraction. So basically, the upcharge, the 10 plus times more that you're paying, is just for the flexibility alone. If you want to ride attractions over and over again and skip the line to more attractions, because originally when I saw the Lightning Lane Premier Pass, I was guessing that it might include more attractions, like even Peter Pan's Flight. And knowing that this is very limited quantity, I thought maybe they would somehow be able to manage that. But if you want to be able to skip the lines to basically every attraction in Disneyland and Disney California Adventure, you're gonna have to get a VIP tour. And that makes me wonder, is this a way to sell more VIP tours? Or is it just a product that sort of meets guests halfway? Because if somebody says, hey, I don't want to fork over thousands and thousands of dollars for a VIP tour, but we don't want to have to book with the app. We don't want to fuss with that. We just want to go on the rides when we please. Then yeah, this is a good product for guests who have the extra cash to spend and want to use it in this way. Personally, would I use it? I don't know. I mean, if you're somebody who understands Lightning Lanes and how to maximize them, I have a whole tips video about it. Then the convenience of just showing up whenever you want and using it however you like doesn't really have that much value. But like I said, for those who would like to pay that price in order to skip popular attractions at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure, but they don't want to pay the price of the VIP tour, this is kind of a happy medium. It does make me wonder a couple things though, like will guests who purchase this get an email or a call asking them if they would like to upgrade to a VIP tour? Or maybe even on the day of their visit, if there's still guides available, they might say like, hey, we saw you got this. Would you like to upgrade to a VIP tour for X amount more? I also don't see this impacting the lines too much because these are such limited availability, but we'll see. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more Disneyland updates.